kommen. Das sind allerdings relativ dünne Schleierwolken. Die kommen so zögerlich langsam in die Schweiz. Das passiert in der Nacht und morgen Vormittag. Jetzt in der Nacht Temperaturen ein bisschen im Rückgang. Tiefstart morgen kurz vor Sonnenaufgang bei etwa 4 bis 7 Grad. Richtung Westen 6 und im Tessin haben wir 12 Grad. Die höheren Alpentäler ein bisschen frischer, minus 3 Grad. Am Morgen Schleierwolken am Vormittag, jetzt hier von Norden her drüber Richtung Süden. Am dichtesten sind wir am Mittagsseite vertraute Südseite und dann hat der Hügel das Sonne eher benötigt daheim. Am Fest gibt es Personen Schleierwolken verschwunden laufen meine Tage.
Schleierwolken.
All right, well, today is June the 6th, 2017. It's about 9:30 in the morning, and we're watching a large thunderstorm off of Central America, and we can see the microwave hitting this area. Let's go ahead and stop this. We have the night to day transition here coming up. We've got some photoshopping over the top of this thunderstorm. Let's go ahead and watch the transition from night to day here, and we can see where the transmitter is hitting different areas in this storm. All through here, there's about 5 places, and then the most recent one right here. Now watch what happens when we scroll to the next frame. This expands out into a larger crater as the superheating process carries out. And of course, this is what causes the blast pattern. We see a ring here, a ring over here. Let's just go back a little bit, a couple of frames. We can see that. Also right here, they're hitting, targeting right here and there. There's a large ring right here shooting out. So this is how it's done, and if we look at the infrared map, we can see the color change. And here is the water vapor map. See the blast pattern around the edge here. Now also the National Hurricane Center website is not showing any disturbances today in this area. But look here, we have rotation. Right over here, we had, in yesterday's video, we had 2 different thunderstorms. This has been pretty much knocked down for the time being, but we do see some rotation right in this area. Right here in the visible light map, you can see that counterclockwise rotation. So we'll keep an eye on this and see what happens. But for the time being, these terrorists controlling our weather are not allowing any hurricanes to develop. And of course, if they do allow, if we do have a disturbance or hurricane, that's going to be covered here on these videos. All right, let's take a look at the West Coast again. Here we have a lot of chemtrails in the skies this morning over Southern California. We can see the moisture field moving towards Southern California right here. All this moisture is moving in. And of course, there is no official rain forecast. And when that's the case, the jets are dispatched to maintain dry conditions, which, speaking of the capping inversion conditions, that's what the chemtrails create. That prevents the precipitation process. Look at this giant moisture field heading towards California and Oregon and Washington. The Doppler is showing no rain, again, for any of these 3 states. Okay, so that's it. It's just a short update. We'll go ahead and let's take a look over here real quick. This is the SSCC water vapor map. Of course, this area is all loaded with chemtrails. This whole moisture field is all loaded up with chemtrails. All right, so that's it. We'll just leave it right here. And this is where the microwave hits, right here. That's a very good example. These two areas. Superheating this one area and right here as well. These expand out. You can see that happening here in the next frame. Also over here, hitting this area right here. Also up over here. I'm backing up now. There we go. Okay. So that's it. We'll do another full update later on.